not a game, it's a rich thing.
Good morning, people. I'm going for a walk and a little jog. The sun hot, and can you believe it? It's I left my watch 7:20 in the morning. Wow, the sun hot. Yeah, I'm going to work off this big belly. Yeah, about to sit down in my lap, and me don't want that because that's not cute. No disrespect to anybody, but if you like it, that's fine with you. Me don't like it. I need to lose a little pound. I need to sign up for a gym. I'm going to do that very soon. And not just sign up feet and I go, but I need to go and use the gym. So I go jog a little. Oh, the bunks. Oh, I think that's thing. I'm going to see if I can do it.
You want to see you got up to a bounce. Probably goes 50 and you run around.
A bunks?
I don't like your 13.
And I'm going to want good dance to everybody. Happiness. You know, which friend? Hey. I wonder if alligator in them bushes. You think so?
Don't know, yeah.
Daddy, watch your food. Take care. Roll as strong as me.
Alligator snake.
Oh, alligator snake. It's okay. They're not troubling. Why you not troubling? I don't exercise. I'm tired. I'm not fit at all. I don't know if I can do this. I want to lose the belly, but Jesus. Where's that, Daddy?
Alligator punish.
Yeah, alligator in there. You want to come over there?
Me?
Come say hi.
And she don't just jump out of the water because they're very sensitive, you know. Attack you.
They're not
I
jump.
was gonna pick up them there. Kids there.
That the people got it. I see people did their fish. I don't know if they're supposed to fish there. I don't know. Oh, keep them on gas for the school this morning. Yeah. I think they have one sign in there that said notice alligator. It's a school morning. Yeah, education is the key, people. Gotta go to school, kids. I'm taking that book. Yep. Normally when they are walking in the morning, they are not people walking the dog. In the bush, I want swamp. See what I write there, sir? And pure water. You see?
Some consists of creatures.
Oh, in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if you when I walk at evening time, I don't come over the side there. Because I can't see nothing.
Creatures.
Especially when it get dark. Sometimes I walk at night.
Creature. Still a desolate place, you know.
Oh.
This is right now, that's what it like. And this time, they attack you.
See water there.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, I got eye doctor the other day. And not do my eye, as you tell in my previous video. I had the blinky, but me use, me I twitch my eyes a lot. And I use the computer a lot, and I put my phone a lot. So when I use it, I feel like a little glimpse of headache sometimes. So I have to put on your phone or put on lock off the computer or whatever. So in the when I do my eye, I recommend say like I would recommend a glass for you if you're watching TV, when you're on the computer, but you don't have to. As I explained to me, that's slight bit headache and I said that's nothing. And he would recommend the glass and I said, me don't want a glass because once I start wear glass, like all after a year and so, yeah, I get bad and bad. That me say. But guess what? Me need it because it I get worse and worse when I use the computer. So today, after walking out, I just go straight to the glasses place and get the glasses and that's it. better. Daddy. Daddy. Good morning, how are you?
Morning.
I'm good. Have a good rest of your day. See, there's don't follow me, yeah? Don't follow. Oh gosh, I'm tired. So normally I'm going to sit down right here, sir, and relax in the evening, in the morning, when it's so hot. Because by the time we walk, the sun will come out like this now, not like when we just come out. I don't know what happened this morning, but yeah, that's a blessing. But I sit down here and relax. Sometimes I sit down here and read a book for 25 minutes. And sometimes some fish come up and stuff like that. But yeah, alright, so I'm going to go to the glasses place. Sorry, I breathe hard. I'm going to go to the glasses place and I'm going to take it with me. See you then. What? Look here. What am I again? I don't mushroom them there. I don't know where. I don't remember where they were growing at. Comment down below and let me know. They grow up in that grass. Sometime a year, you always see them in that grass. You see? I don't know what you call them. Comment down below and let me know if you know them. So I'm in the eyeglasses place to choose my glasses now. So I'm going to put on and I'm going to tell me what. They have Calvin Klein, Coach, DMK. Guess, no name, whatever, but me love Coach bad. Me is a Coach girl. So I'm going to choose the Coach. I love Louis V, but I don't Louis V in here neither, but guess what? Sister can't afford that yet. And the YSL and all them branded, you know? I'm a creep right now. So guess what? Then I take the step, then I walk. So when I walk, I have the Louis V. And in the future, I'm coming for you. In the future. Oh, only might look at my ear and say, oh, fair ear looks so yes, it's a bad ear day. So guess what? I'm going to go home. I'll be sweating night because I go out this morning, go home, wash it, and put in 4 big braids in it. AKA cornrow, as we call it, we Jamaicans. But the right thing is cornrows. I like Coach, but you know the Coach one. This one.
You're gonna.
Comment down below and let me know which one you like. I don't know. This one guessing. I don't look too bad. I'm not sure. If me not see no Coach, I'm not like me. I choose something else. Guess I one of them.
And you mentioned that they
I don't know, man.
This one look good. I don't know. I'm going to choose one and of course I'm going to see which one I choose. I think I'm going to go with this, but I need a different color or that color here. Or, what do you think? I'm going to choose a different color. Listen, this is just when I'm on the computer using my phone or watching TV, so it's not something I'm going to sport. And I like this. There's a lot of them, I can't bother trying too much glasses. So I'm going to choose one and I'm going to see which one I choose. Thank you so much for watching this vlog and tell me which one you like. It was just a couple.